I'm back from lunch. I had sushi. It was good. Let's move on to the top of the set. So, just in case you guys forgot, let's recap what I wrote down in my direction to do notebook. Let's start with the 85 stitches casting on, and the reason why I'm doing 85 stitches is because we're gonna decrease by 1 stitch, which will make it 84 stitches, which is divisible by 4, so we can make our 2x2 rib knit and it'll come out evenly. Catch you on the flip side. Oh, and by the way, how I got 85 stitches is, I think this is from a previous project that I did that was also a top for a set. I just did bust measurement plus positive ease, which is 4 stitches divided by 2. I rounded down to 30 plus 4 for the positive ease divided by 2, which equals 17 inches. And then gauge is a 4x4, which I measured a yarn that was very similar to this yarn. That was the same gauge from the last project. So it was a 4x4 inch gauge. So it's 20 stitches in that 4 inches by the other 4 inches, which was 26 rows. So then you do like some simple math right here. I forgot what this is called in school. It's been a while since I've been in some math classes, but I kind of remember how to do them, which is really interesting how I remember that much. But anyway, so if you do some math here, we get to my new gauge, which was 85 stitches instead of the last project I did was 90 stitches, which was I think way too much. I rounded down to 84 plus 1, 85 stitches. If that makes sense. Hopefully that makes sense to you. So for the top portion of the project, I'm going to be using size 5 knitting needles, the same ones that we started off with for the shorts. I don't think I will be transitioning to the size 6 needles, just because I like the look of a closer knit stitch for the top. So I'll start casting on 85 stitches. So I just remembered that, whoopsie, this whole mathematical thing is just for one side of the shirt that I made previously for another, what's it called, set, knitted set. So I'm gonna have to calculate or just guesstimate how many stitches would be for one full shirt, because we're doing knitting in the round instead of just knitting flat, which I think the last set that I did was just a flat knit and then I joined 2 sides together. So now I'm gonna have to figure out that. I'll be right back. Okay, so what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna do the same amount of stitches for the shorts. So I think there was 105, and just do the same exact thing. So I'll do 105 stitches, because I would think before the elastic, I would say that this probably fits. Yeah, let's do 105 stitches and go from there. Right now I have 85 stitches on my knitting needles, so I will meet you when I have 105 stitches. I have 105 stitches on my knitting needles, so now what I'm going to do is just follow the same exact pattern as the start of the shorts, which is 16 rows of 2x2 rib knit, and I'll meet you back once I completed that step. Good morning, everyone. I tried on the band portion last night, so this last night, and it fits chest area perfectly. So we're gonna go from here. So let me try this on for you guys and we'll start doing the stockinette. I was thinking last night that maybe I could do increases so the top flares out a little bit, so it's not just one straight top, and just have it plain in the middle, but the increases are under the armpits, so it kind of hides the increases more, which I think I'll go with that. I thought I would just increase in 2 places and go from there. So let me try this on really quick, and then we'll start knitting the stockinette increases. And I'll try to make sure to show you guys my progress along the way. Yeah, cool. Let's go. So again, this is the 105 stitches. It goes over my head pretty well, and I thought I would start it right below the armpits right here. So it would probably, this top ribbing would probably lay right about there. So now I'm gonna start, and it fits pretty well. It's not too hard to get over the head. I'm gonna add elastic to it too, so it doesn't start what's it called, loosening up. It holds the top up, as well as the strap support that I'm going to put up on later onto the top. I'm going to add them, and I'm going to start doing the stockinette increase rows. So I would say about 2 inches plus 2 inches, so that's 4, and I need about 8 inches to reach the top of the shorts. So I'm probably going to be doing the stockinette for about 4, maybe 4.5 inches. Just to add how I did the straps as well. So for the straps, I just did I crocheted this with a 4mm hook. I just did slip stitches in the back post only all the way until 60 rows, and then finished it with a long tail so I could stitch it into the top. Now I am finally done with the top. I decided to just have it flared out at the bottom just to allow more room. On the top here, I just did 2x2 rib knit, and then regular stockinette stitch with increases on the side, and then again the same thing as the top here, 2x2 rib knit. I added my bow in the middle, and I'm done with one of the straps. I'm still deciding whether I like it with or without straps. We'll see at the end what I decide. So I'm now going to work on the other strap. So yeah, let me show you what it looks like on. Sorry, my mirror's a little dirty. So this is what it looks like on right now. Gotta fix the bow a little bit. It looks really good. I like how it turned out. The increases, I'm still not entirely loving, but it's starting to grow on me a little bit. The strap is really sturdy. I'm gonna now work on the other strap. Alright, so I just finished the other strap, and this is what it looks like. The top, I am really happy with the way that it turned out. I think it's, you know, perfect sizing. So I absolutely am astonished that I made this set all by myself, and the gloves and the balaclava to go with it. I wish I was not selling this set because I would probably freaking wear it myself. I'll probably have to make another one of these to make for myself. It is super soft, super comfortable, great for laying around the house, as well as going off and showing your fashion aesthetic, fashion sensibilities. Alright, thank you so much guys for watching this video today. I think I'll do more videos like this in the future on my channel. I had a lot of fun making this video, if you guys could tell in the little video that I put together to show you guys the final result. I was having way too much fun. With all that said, I look forward to the next videos that I'm going to make for you guys, and I hope you enjoy them too. Other than that, I hope you guys have a nice rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!